Hello everyone, I am Dr. Morton and I'm here to assist you all with creating another tutorial for week 9 on your own 21-1. So let's get started. So first we're going to go to week 9. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. And we are going to complete week 9 on your own homework part 2. Now, I left part 1 for you all to complete on your own so that you can gain mastery over using PowerPoint. But part 2 is a little more difficult, and I would like to create this tutorial to assist you all with completing the assignment, as many of you have had much difficulty with understanding the instructions. So let's jump to it. Click on the link. First, we need to download the data files, which are here. Save it, which is the landmarks PowerPoint file we will be editing. Next, we need to download the On Your Own 21-1. So click there. We're going to save it as well. Now we want to go to those files and open them. So let's open the landmarks file. And also open the instructional file, which is the 105 on your own 21-1 updated. I'm going to minimize this. So your Word, as this loads, your Word document should look along these lines, and these are the instructions on completing the assignments. I'm only going to go through a fraction of these particular steps just to get you all going and give you an idea of how this assignment is supposed to be completed, but it should be enough to get you all geared in the right direction. So there we go. We have our PowerPoint open. I'm going to just split screen here. Click the Enable Editing button so that you can edit this file. Okay, so let's get started. So first it says rename your file as Landmarks Quiz. Do so if you haven't done so already. Next, it asks us to add the following as a footer on all slides except the title slide. And it wants us to add the click the correct answer text to all the slides as the footer. So I like to copy and paste, as you already know. So I'm going to just highlight this and hit Control-C or right-click and copy. Next, I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to click on the Insert tab in my ribbon. Go all the way over to Header and Footer. I'm going to click on the Footer box and paste. Click the correct answer. Now I'm going to click Apply All. Now remember, it's to add the following as a footer on all slides except the title slide. So I'm going to come back here to the title slide and double click on my footer here and delete it. Delete the text. So that, we have the period left here. I don't want to. There we go. Get rid of that period. So now we have the title, the footer text on all the slides except the title. Next, the instructions say, on the banded master slide, drag the left middle sizing handle to the right to change the width of the title text placeholder to approximately 9.5 inches wide, keeping the right edge of the title next text placeholder aligned with the right edge of the content placeholder. Change the font size of the text in the footer placeholder to 28 points and format it as bold. Okay, so that's a lot to swallow. So let's take it step by step. So I'm going to move this over so we can work with this PowerPoint. So to change the master, the branded slide master, you have to click View, which is in the ribbon, the View tab. you come here to Slide Master. Make sure you click that. So you can hover over to see which slide is actually the one you need to change. So this is the title slide. This is the title content layout. This is the section header. This is the to content layout, comparison layouts, and title only layout. So, oh, we forgot the top one, as we wasn't scrolled all the way up. So the topmost slide is the branded slide master, and this is the one it wants us to change. So we click on this slide, and it states to drag the left middle size and handle to the right to change the width of the title text. So we're going to click on this actual text box, and you can come here and click on format so we can keep an idea of our width here. We're going to click and hold this left button and drag it all the way over until it reaches 9.5. Actually, as you can see, we went over a little too far. It's at 735. Let's keep changing it. You can keep playing with it if you want, or you can just type in here and hit enter. But we want to make sure it's aligned. So, wrong one. Easiest way is to change to make sure it's aligned. Use the arrow keys. Just click on this here. Sometimes it's kind of difficult to click on. Clicking on the text is the easiest. You click on the bottom, it also works, and just use the arrow keys to get it aligned. Next, it also says change the font size of the text in the footer placeholder to 28 points and make it bold. So we're going to come down to the footer. We're going to highlight this text here. We're going to come to the home slide. The home tab. And we're going to make it 28. And we're going to click the bold to make it bold. Instruction number 4 states on the branded slide master, change the size of the footer placeholder box to 1.65 inches high and 1.75 inches wide. Position the footer place box so it is centered between the left edge of the title box placeholder and the left edge of the slide. So I'm going to slide this over so we can work with this over here. So on the same slide, it wants us to edit this particular footer placeholder box and change the width in inches to 1.65 inches high. So we're going to click here. As you can see, it's highlighted. Click on Format, and the width, we want to make sure it's 1.65. And 1.6 is still fine if you can't get it exactly. And make sure you change the width to 1.75. And 1.7 is approximately close enough. So now it states to position the footer placeholder box so it's centered between the left edge of the title text placeholder. So now it wants us to click here, on our footer box and drag it here on the left edge. And you can use the arrow keys to align it properly. So, also it says make sure you click inside and highlight your text to make it left aligned. And to do that, you just highlight the text. You can also use your quick tip box and just left align it. Or you can go to Home tab and click the left align button once you highlight the text inside the footer placeholder box. Instruction 5. It states On the two content layouts master, change the font size of the text in the content placeholder on the left so that the size of the text is in the first level bulleted items is 28 points and the size on the text in the fifth level bulleted item is 20 points. So to do that, we're going to go to our two content layout slide master, and we're going to highlight the first level as is stated and change it to 28. And we're going to highlight the fifth level and change it to 20. Easy as cake. Now, I'm going to stop on number 6, but I'm going to give you a hint on how to complete it. It says in the content placeholders on slide 2, 3, and 4, use the online picture button. In the content placeholder to insert pictures of the following from office.com. So, here's the hints. You have to edit the master slide view. And to do that, you click on View and click on Normal. Now, you go to slide 2 and find the online pictures button, which is here. Give it a click, and I'll leave it to you all to complete the rest of the assignment. I hope this was helpful enough, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. I'm sorry, just another addition. Also, you may be able to